Hello, today we are going to learn the technique how the flag is coming up and down. Let's start. So, for moving flag up and down, we need a rectangle of 10 centimeter by 6 centimeter. After that, color this flag, keep it beside. We need a white color thread. For video, I am showing a black color thread using, but you have to use white color. And your drawing book. And tape, we need a tape. So we will start. First, we will draw a pillar. For that, I had leave 2 fingers from here, 2 fingers from here. So draw a slipping line first. Then one more slipping line. This is almost my finger distance. Then keep on both the sides same distance and draw one more rectangle. Then keep your small finger, mark the points here, leave 4 fingers from up, make a point here and draw a line till the point. Keep your small finger, make a point here and join this point also. So this will be the thickness for the pillar. Okay, after drawing this, you color it first and then I will show you the technique. You can draw a boy, draw the background, and then we will go for the technique, how we are going to use the needle and the flag. After coloring, now we are going to use the needle. Okay. First, the work of needle. What you have to do, I had marked your point. Okay, make a hole here also, make a hole here also. Little bit leave some space from the upper side. Okay, make a hole here. First, I'm using the eraser, so I will not spoil my backside page. Make first hole here upside this point, then downside here. Okay, after making this, first put your needle here in this hole, first hole. Okay, take your paper backside. Okay, and remove this, and down also we had made the hole, so from this hole it will go. Bring it on the front side. Okay, you will find this upper side thread and the downside thread. Now first the downside thread, we have a needle, so I'm going needle. So I will remove the thread. Now we have to cut from this position, leave little bit space and then cut the thread and separate the needle. After separating the needle, see, we got 2 points, see, this and this. Now just hold 1 point here, 1 point here and get it together. Okay, just get it together and make a knot. See that your knot is not too fat, it should be very thin. Make the knot, okay, tightly. If there is some extra thing, please cut it. We don't need the extra thing, we need, if you see, the knot is very small. Okay, now just leave this way, downside, then come with your rectangle. Okay, come with your rectangle. Now first thing, please keep your finger like this, mark a point, fold it first. With the help of the scale, you can just fold it like this. Then turn this like this first and you will find the line which we had folded. Keep on this fold line and turn this and put the tape. I'm using paper tape, you can use sellotape also. Put on this whole thing. Now turn it. This is a technique. So why we had put on the sellotape? So we get this movement. If you put directly to the glue, it might stick the thread. So after getting this, see, now I'm going to move it. You can see, if I pull the upper thread, the flag will come down. If I pull the down one thread, it will go up. So this way your activity is done. So the flag is moving because of the thread is, I'm pulling down. Okay, when I pull the down one thread, it will go up. I hope that this activity you had loved. Enjoy the activity, do it and click your photo and send to me. Till then, take care.